city's well worth a look around. $20 to get in. Takes about an hour to go round. Tells the history of the earthquake and all the issues. It also explains what causes earthquakes. It's a not widely known but quite interesting item that we were getting 15,000 earthquakes a year. Most of them 14,500. We didn't even know we were getting them, so small. But we certainly knew we were getting the big ones. And on our right, the other side, Tipai, the convention centre. And have a look out the right-hand window now. You see the braided rivers of Canterbury. There's a series of views of the Canterbury Plains that are there. Brilliant. This is tram stop number 16. We are in Victoria Square. Named after Queen Victoria, who until Queen Elizabeth came along was the longest serving English monarch. She reigned from